I'm going to show you how you can actually record the text on a page just as one recording, because for some students they can actually do that themselves. So I'm going to take this book, I Walk to the Hut, and you go to view mode. So click on view mode, and then we have got the microphone up here. We'll click on the microphone, and it's asking, are you sure you want to do this? We hit the tick button, and then you can record it. You'll see the words of the page are written up the top, and we just hit the red button to record and then hit the blue button to stop. Okay, I walked to the hut. Here we go, we can play that.
Okay, I walked to the hut.
Hey, it needs some editing, so we can edit the text like this. Now we can play it.
I walked to the hut.
And then save. So you can listen to it being read by clicking on this icon.
I walked to the hut.
Of course, if you do this, you can't actually select the words individually. It will only read it as the whole page. But that can be very useful for some students. I'll do one more page for you, so let's go to the next page. And let's record this page. So click on the microphone icon. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, hit the tick button. We're going to record it. I carried a heavy pack. Go, we can listen to it.
I carried a heavy pack.
Okay, we'll edit it. Here we go. And we'll play it again.
I carried a heavy pack.
And yes, there we are. So that's how you can actually record the text for a page just in one go. You can record the whole story.